Hola mates, today I'm gonna talk about a great website in which you can earn your most magnificent, beneficent money. What will you have to do? I'm gonna tell you every steps to get our valuable money. So if you already subscribed to my channel, firstly my special thanks to you my mate, and if you are a newbie my mate, just subscribe and see the magic. Okay, now I'm gonna talk about a couple of websites in which you can earn money. So there's we call passive income. Now what is passive income? We all know what is passive income. Now I'm gonna talk about this website. It refers to trusted dog walkers near you, starting as low as $20 per walk. So imagine you are walking down a road or working in a garden road, and you have your dogs with you, and for that you are gonna get the money. People are gonna get you the money, give you the money. So that's so great. First walk free, first time customers only. So their services walk starting at $20, overnight starting at $39, mate. I think that's great. If you love to work at night, then you can also earn money at night also, but that too much upgraded than the starting point now. And you can see the daycare mode is starting at $35. So I think if you're a night lover, you can also go for this tab. Okay, so what they said is a 30-minute walk for your dog to have a potty break, or a 1-hour stroll for your dog to exercise and have a potty break. Sitting a walk, sitter will care for your dog at your home. Or boarding a walk, sitter will care for your dog at their home. Okay, and the daycare mode is your dog will stay with a walk sitter for a one-time visit, or your dog will stay with a walk sitter for repeated visits. Okay, it's coming soon, but soon they will upgrade this one too. So now you can see these. So Forbes, the New York Times, TechCrunch, The Guardian, the Wall Street Journal, the Los Angeles Times. So these are the most amazing and the best valuable websites on earth. So these websites are also associated with this work, working.com. So millions of walks and counting. Laura C. She said, work does a wonderful job for looking after my dog body for walks, and when I go away for an extended period of time, thanks work. Lisa H. She said, anytime I'm stuck at work late or sitting in traffic, I know I can depend on work to come through for me and my. And Vicky, he said, I'm really appreciative of the Wake team. Thank you, Wake. When I can't get to my dog when it's time for break, they are always there to help. So mates, I think that's the great website to earn money. I think actually when you are working through the road and you want money, you want passive income, you want easy money, then you can join the Wake team and get your free money. So now we can see trust and safety vetted. We perform comprehensive background screening to you, so your dog and home are in safe hands. In short, Wake guarantees 100,000 in home insurance for your extra peace of mind. Customer support. Talk to your customers care team anytime, day or night. They are always here for you 24/7. Okay, what is it? Feeding shelter dogs with our walks. We have donated over 5,000 meals and counting. Work donates a portion of proceeds from walks to the rescue bank, and through this program has already provided meals to more than 5 million shelter dogs in the United States. Thank you, United States. Okay, walk Instagram feed. Now look at these cute puppies. So now we can see animal lovers wanted. Look at the cute puppies. Are you a dog lover with pet care experience? Want to earn money working with dogs? Learn more about becoming Wake, better dog walker and sitter in your city. If you click on this button, then you can start to earn money. So our next website is TweetPub. So we know Twitter, we know Facebook. So what happens when Twitter or TweetPub gives you money when you tweet something? Okay, let me explain. Your tweets equals to dollars. Okay, tweet publisher helps you get paid by simply posting on Twitter. Okay, quality content and tweets. Subscribe to higher quality tweets with more focus in various groups: horoscopes, stocks, feng shui, politics, financial, stocks, events, news, etc. Monetize Twitter instantly. Great. Make money as you tweet. Get rewarded with high 80% payout. First payment and scale quicker while you generate earnings with TweetPub's innovative business model. Less hustle, more control. TweetPub automates access to your private Tweet account or even direct messages for all you subscription control settings with the TweetPub dashboard. So now we can see this association that is associated with this website. So how will you earn the money? To earn the money, simply go to the sign up button, click on it, and then you're gonna get the money. So you can buy tweets, sell tweets, and here is your account and the blog. So this is how we earn the money from TweetPub. So I think I showed you the way to earn money, how to earn from Twitter posts. So thank you, and so let's move to Teespring. Teespring is the best American t-shirt e-commerce website from where you can design something and publish for pants, t-shirt, pillows, shirts, wherever you want to make. You can publish and earn money from here. So let me show you the designs. You can see the designs. And so mates, let me show you how it works. Okay, how easy is it? Teespring offers a no-risk turnkey solution to you running your commerce business. We handle everything from production, fulfillment, and customer service. We make e-commerce easy. So how it works? Create a product. Use the Teespring launcher to create your product. Just hit start designing. Collect your profits. We will add your profits to payout section of your Teespring account. Boost your sales. Use Teespring's boosted network marketing tools, partnership integration to enhance your sales performance. Order fulfilled once a buyer places an order. We will take care of order production and shipping. And the last number is customer service. Let our dedicated customer service team take care of any inquiries. Okay. Now we can see the price tag here. Teespring is free, a totally no-risk platform that allows you to try out your ideas, understand what works. You choose the selling price, profit for all of your products. When a product sells, you get to keep the profit. Once the orders are processed, your profit will be available for withdrawal in the payout section of your Teespring account. Blanket. A blanket you sell price side $60. Okay, you can set the price as you want. Okay, and that will give you the product best cost, your profit. And what happened to your t-shirt? If you got a new t-shirt and the design, you can name the price, and that will give you the price. Okay, and you can also see the iPhone case. If you got any kind of design of iPhones or Samsung or other phones, you can name your price and put your price list here, and you will get the profit. If you put the price 23, and your profit will be $15.00, and I think that's so really fabulous. Okay, our next website is American Express carrier. So life at American Express, your experience meets a world of opportunity. Sign up for our talent community to learn about new openings and keep up with the latest happening at American Express. So they have lots of agents, lots of branches in Mexico City, Rome, India, France, Arizona, United States, Brighton, United Kingdom, Rome, Italy. So we can see the job alerts. We can find any job from here. We can search anything, any job, any location. If you're from Uganda, or if you're from India, or if you're from UK, you can just search in here and find your desired job. Okay, now we can see that our company, profession, student, talent, community, event. So our next website is Carnival Corporation and PLC. So see you from desk to deck. search all usual site, careers, category, location, radius. Just like the American Express, you search the category, you search the location, you search the radius, and we can see about them. Carnival Corporation and PLC is a global cruise company and one of the largest vacation companies in the world. Our portfolio of brands includes Carnival Cruise Line, Holland America Line, Fathom, Princess Cruises, Seabourn in North America, P&O Cruises, and Carnet in the United Kingdom, Ada Cruises in Germany, Costa Cruises in Southern Europe, and P&O Cruises in Australia. So we can see the Carnival Corporation and their cruise line. We can see the awards and recognition. We can see everything. I think that's very trustworthy website, and you don't have to work. You don't have to worry about anything. Okay, our next website is Hilton.com. Okay, it's so simple. Just use job search. Results will be limited to the location selected below. Just select anything. So I'll search the United Kingdom and click on the go button, and I'll get. Okay, we are here, mate. Discover Hilton, our brands. Now we can see the brands we can work on. We can see graduate opportunities in North America, Latin America, Europe, Middle East, Asia, and Pacific. Okay, growth in Saudi Arabia, areas of talent. We can see this in this feature. We can work on and start auto. Okay, what you have to do is just keyword, job title or job ID and city state and get the job, mate. Our next website is Jetblue.com. So in this website you can work as airport operation, in-flight, ground operation, customer support, Juntos plant and reaching blue heights, connecting families, flying like a girl, and you can see watch videos and you can work and start your careers at Jetblue and get the money. So our next website is Gear Bubble, the most important and amazing website for all the women and girls and the kids. So what you're gonna do is you want to start your own e-commerce brand. All you have to do is just design something and then post there and become a seller. Okay, if you're looking for that perfect gift, then you are in the right place. So I've told you lots of websites today, and in which you can earn various money, and I think that's a great way to earn money. So it's up to you whether you will earn money or not, and why you will earn and passive income. Okay, thank you for watching my videos.